Fast and easy tip how to improve the Wi-Fi performance of your phone and your house. Go to settings and then you're gonna go to connections. Remember to subscribe and give me some tips if the video was good for you, and enter the Wi-Fi connection you are, and then enter here in the three dots in the top. Go to intelligent Wi-Fi and go down and enter the secret menu connecting labs. If you did not activate it, type several times intelligent Wi-Fi, then enter here, go down and go to custom Wi-Fi developer options, Wi-Fi developer options, and enter this option called nearby Wi-Fi information. Here you're going to see all the connections of Wi-Fi that are near your house. So go to channel utilization and refresh it. Press refresh. So what's going to do the phone is make like a list of where each connection is. Go down and here you're going to see an option channel recommendation that you must do in your router. So you must put your router to work in channel band 1 and your 5G band in 36 or 40, and these are the best channels that you must use. So you're not going to be in a place where there's a lot of people in that channel. But if you see these graphics, I maybe put my 2.4 gigahertz in channel 2 or band 2 and put my 5G channel in 52 or 56 where nobody is. That's what you must do. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and give me some tips if the video was good for you, and thank you.